That is regular room. Carpet was removed, and we will install laminate today. We'll see how long it will take. Removing boards. It's very easy. Just get that cutter and cut the ceiling area. Cover. See, it's easy to come out. Like that. It's very easy. I don't know why contractors even charge for this job. It's very easy to do. Removes very fast. Thank you for looking. Good luck. Look like you just have to do one cut. And after that, it's like little by little going. Very easy. See how easy it is to remove all the boards. Very fast and easy. Okay, removing boards. Very easy procedure. First you do cuts on the ceiling here. Okay, and use hammer. This one. And just pull it out everything. Alright. See, all boards come out very easy. All boards come out just couple seconds. Take me. Alright, it took me like, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe less, to remove all boards. And if you don't want to remove boards, you don't have to. You can just buy another one, triangle one. You make additional boards after you finish with your floor, laminate. Well, thank you for looking. Good luck. Okay, we'll start to laminate. I never done that before in my life. Let's see how good I will be. I will choose that under laminate. It's very good cushion and moisture protection. It's like 15 bucks roll. It's plenty here. And I choose that wood looking laminate, 12.3 millimeter thick. I don't know, sometimes contractors, like my contractor said, listen, 12 mils, I can do it for you for 2 bucks 69 cents, something like that. I find in the store like 99 cents for square foot. I mean, so cheap. Okay, 15 years, something like that. Okay, let's see what we'll do. Right, we start loading laminate floor. Okay. Alright, put that laminate together. You can use that brick, and better don't put all the way down because that joint's a little bit weak if you snap on them with hammer. Better to put like against all unit. Hammer if you need it. Look like that work better. Thank you. Let's have sticky strip over here to get them together. Rolls. Just don't overlap it. Yeah. It's easy to do. Alright, thank you for looking. Alright, it's not hard at all to do it. Never done it before. Okay. to take laminate, like 45 degrees, something like that. Put this together and down. Right. Like joints good. And can use shoe, hammer. Alright, just so smooth, you don't feel any joints here, very smooth. It's very easy.